Are you feeling some financial stress right now? You're not alone. So many people are super stressed out with inflation, with mortgage rates going up, especially in Canada. If you have to renew your mortgage, you're, freaking out because it's going to be expensive. Well, all the emotions that come up with all this financial stuff can really be overwhelming. It can shut you down. It can make it really tough to make clear financial decisions. Well, my name is Stephanie Wood. I'm an EFT tapping trainer and practitioner for more than 20 years, and I love working with people with financial issues and money stuff. So I decided to put together something called the Money Series. It's a series of drop-in live workshops. Then there'll be replays as well if you can't make that time. It's going to be on Tuesday nights that help you clear away the emotions that might be blocking you from making really great decisions about your money, your finances. So we had our first one this week, and it was a free one that you can go sign up for anytime. That's getting right with money itself. It's about the first stepping stone to clearing all your issues with money, really. It's about creating a right relationship with money, just money itself. So the one that's coming up this Tuesday is called Rising Costs, Rising Resilience. And this is about dealing with trying to kind of raise your financial resilience factor, basically. In the face of all of that's happening, you might feel blame, anger, it might be shutting you down. Well, this session should really help you so much with that. The other sessions that will run all through the winter are things like, what have we got here? We've got You Can Handle the Truth. It's about getting to know your numbers and being able to face your own financial reality. Well, a lot of people are afraid of that. I've helped clients clear the stuff that's in the way of looking at their numbers with clear eyes. And when you can do that, it gives you the starting point to be able to make better decisions. Then in December, we've got Releasing Limiting Money Beliefs, which is super fun, and dealing with money and relationships, the stress that money issues can take on relationships if you have conflict with your partner about money, which so many relationships do. If you have some different ideas about money, it shows up and can cause problems. So we can do some tapping on that. And then in the new year, we're going to be doing some facing financial fears in the future, tapping a way to release anxiety about that. Doesn't mean you can, change the future, but at least if you're feeling really stressed about that, it can be super helpful to be calm in the face of that. In January, we'll also be dealing with debt, guilt, and shame detox. So that is a big one for a lot of people. And also conscious spending. It's about getting over your mindless overspending habit if you know you're a spender. Also, there'll be Change Can Be Good, tapping to navigate and accept a more frugal reality. Well, if you know you've had to make lifestyle changes, that can be tough. So we're going to do some tapping to deal with the emotions that come up around that. That's the end of January. And in February, we're going to do some budgeting workshop, empowered choices for when you do have to make tough financial decisions. And then I'm going to do another session around tax time. So I hope you can join me for some of those. Like I said, there'll always be a replay. You can sign up for one of them, all of them. It's really up to you. The more you do, the more tapping you do through all this financial stuff, you may come out of this with a totally new mindset and perspective about your finances and your financial future. So I hope you'll join me for some of this. Like I said, I'm passionate about helping people with this, and that's because dealing with this really can change your life in so many ways, on the material plane, the emotional plane, your relationships, everything, with yourself, even your relationship with yourself. So I hope you join me, and I look forward to seeing you.